In this video, I'll show you how to enable fast charging on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, if you use a normal cable just like this one to charge your phone, then you'll notice that your phone will charge. However, this is just the normal charge. But if you still have your charging cable and the charging brick that came in the box, these have the capability to charge your phone or fast charge your phone with a 45-watt fast charging. So all you have to do is simply use the original charger and the original cable, connect them to power, and once you connect them to power, simply plug them in to your phone just like that. And you should now have fast charging. As you can see, there are 3 modes that you can use, and fast charging is now enabled. Now you can switch between these 3 options anytime. So simply tap on this option down here when your phone is charging. So tap on that option, and then you can select hyper to charge your phone super quickly, or you can leave it on smart AI for your phone to determine when to fast charge it and when to slow down the charge. Or you can simply select low temperature to keep your phone fast charging but at low temperature to avoid overheating. But that's basically how to enable fast charging on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. This option, Smart AI, is the one that is usually selected by default. Take care and God bless.